Titanium dioxide nano.
I know that one. Titanium dioxide, the nano version, real stuff.
Titanium dioxide reflects UV rays and then it can't get through the skin anymore.
You're working on your tan?
I have a very delicate beauty. Seriously, how can you be sure there is no risk? If it's tiny, it can get through the skin. A little cut and then have a nice straight little nano.
Normally they looked into those things.
Yes, but when it's made?
I don't follow.
I mean, when they're designing the products or once it's done?
But it's pretty much the same, no?
Actually, no. It's always better to take care of safety, the toxicity issues, when they're designing the products, instead of doing gazillions of tests and finding out the damage later. It should be the right reflex, but that's not always the case. No. Thanks for your time, sir.
You got the info?
Yeah, we're gonna kill it with our presentation. I got lots of info on sunscreens and the approach. You know the CEREGE project? I told you about it.
Yeah, the center that works on nanoparticles, customer and environment protection.
Exactly, you remember.
Yes, I did.
So, how do you think you can make a nano product safer?
Oh, easy. You need to work on what's gonna contain your nano products. I just read it a second ago. The paint, the concrete, and the sunscreen.
And
Hold on, the type of nanoparticle, how it's formulated, and the dose. Happy.
you're a ray of sunshine.
I know where this is going. You're gonna explain to me how they design a sunscreen with safer UV protection made with nanoparticles, right?
Right. You know there are two kinds of UV absorbing filters.
Yeah. Chemical filters with organic molecules and mineral filters. They can be in an oil or water-based emulsion. I did check my notes.
Great. So, if I get the idea, with the zinc and titanium dioxide nanoparticles, the cream stays transparent and protects better against UV rays.
Alright.
But the smaller the nanoparticles, the better the UV protection.
Yeah, but since the particle is smaller, there is a chance it's also more mobile or toxic.
Exactly. So, in the CEREGE project, scientists with industry designed a sunscreen where titanium dioxide nanoparticles are coated with silica, for example, and they stick those on larger particles.
That way they're better trapped in the emulsion and they don't go through the skin.
And this cuts down on the risk for the environment when they get into your pool, your shower, or at the beach.
The release you've been talking about. I'm never gonna look at it the same way. Well, I guess your center has the same approach for food packaging, tablets or paint.
Yeah, actually each product needs to have its own safer by design approach, making sure it's benign for the consumer and the environment during its entire life cycle.
But actually, it's all about a benefit-risk balance. Before thinking about using nanomaterials, you need to check the benefit-risk of your final product.
And you came up with all this on your own.
Yeah, and you risk benefiting from my smartness.
Ah, that's a good one.
Yeah.